As the topic is the overview of DNA, so DNA we all know that it is a deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. Usually double stranded होता है, double helix structure, and it is found in chromosomes, mitochondria, and chloroplast, which we know as the semi-autonomous organelles. So, as DNA is an acidic substance and present in its nucleus and was first identified by Frederick Michel in 1868, and he named it as nuclein. So, after Frederick Michel, we are having James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953, and they described that DNA is a very simple but famous double helix model. But after James Watson and Francis Crick, we are having some other scientists including like Linus Pauling, Rosalind Franklin, Maurice Wilkins, and Erwin Chargaff. So, Rosalind Franklin, she worked in the same laboratory as Maurice Wilkins, and she studied X-ray diffraction to study the wet fibers of DNA, and the diffraction pattern she obtained, it suggested several structural features of DNA, like it is helical, more than one strand, and 10 base pairs per turn. So she was the Rosalind Franklin. Now, coming to the Erwin Chargaff experiment. So, based on observation of Erwin Chargaff, that for a double-stranded DNA, the ratio between adenine thymine and guanine cytosine are constant and equal one. Okay, so Erwin Chargaff experiment. Chargaff pioneered many biochemical techniques for the isolation, purification, and measurement of nucleic acids from living cells. So, as it contained four bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. So, Chargaff analyzed that the base composition of DNA isolated from many different species, and the hypothesis was the analysis of the base composition of DNA in different species may reveal important features about the structure of DNA. Then there is the interpretation of the data, that the compelling observation was that percentage of adenine is equals to the percentage of thymine and percentage of cytosine is equals to the percentage of guanine. So this observation became to known as the Chargaff's rule. And the another rule is the composition of DNA varies from one species to another. So that is it. With this, we have completed the overview of DNA.